Hey y'all, it's Bree Journal. Welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you are, then please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning motivational video, so I hope you guys enjoy. This is just a really chill video for you to just watch and enjoy me cleaning, or to have this playing while you clean your own place. It took me a day or two to get this done, but we got it done nonetheless. So I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. Waking up in the crib, sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying busy to snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't let them making it back. I know that they at the crib, gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club, cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig, she telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper, you play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood, round Drake. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not how I win. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Let me be dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. Party still beating, my niggas still eating. That girl that look like the partner eating. Little talk with him, spilling the tea. And the shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. Yeah. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole.
Get done, that'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick your time and a place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
It's me at the work. You see me doing that. Tell me about that. When you work
just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been. I just been. Mobbing on the low. I just been. Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been. I just been. Mobbing on the low. I just been.
Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up and talk to me in the comments. Remember that it doesn't matter when you clean your space as long as you get it done, and you don't have to do everything in one day. Sometimes it will take a couple of days in order for everything to be complete, so just take your time. Don't pressure yourself, and have a good day. Bye.